Hello, my dear students. Our today's topic is electron transfer concept of oxidation and reduction. See, redox reaction is a very important topic of class 11th. So, from that point of view, it becomes very important to understand the electron transfer concept of oxidation and reduction. See, we have heard about oxidation and reduction in our lower classes as well. So, when what we have heard about oxidation and reduction till our lower classes, that addition of oxygen is oxidation and addition of hydrogen is reduction. But now the thing has changed. Now your level has increased. So you need to know the modern concept and the most widely accepted and used concept of deciding a reaction as oxidation or reduction. So here comes the electron transfer concept for the same. So what is electron transfer concept? According to this concept, we can decide a reaction to be as oxidation and reduction on the basis of transfer of electrons. Transfer of electrons. All right. So dear students, now watch carefully and try to understand properly. According to this, for any reaction to become oxidation, if we consider that a reaction is going to be oxidation reaction, so how to identify it? So its identification is, if any chemical species loses electron, loss of electron, loses electron, then that chemical species is undergoing oxidation. So a very simple example I'll take to explain, like sodium loses electron and converts into Na plus. That means sodium is undergoing oxidation. I hope it is clear. Similarly, 2Cl minus, 2 chloride ions losing 2 electrons and converting into chlorine. So here 2 chloride ions are losing 2 electrons, because we know 1 Cl minus will lose 1 electron to convert into Cl. But 1 Cl is nothing. Alright, it's just an atom which does not have independent existence. So 1 Cl will have to combine with another Cl. Alright, so to balance it, we can write 2 Cl minus, which will produce 2 Cl with the loss of 2 electrons, and these 2 Cl will combine to give you Cl2. Now these two equations I have written in one form. I hope you have understood it. So 2 Cl minus will lose 2 electron to convert into Cl2. So I can say chloride ions are undergoing oxidation. So remember, whenever any atom or ion or any chemical species loses electron, there is loss of electron. The most important point to remember. That means that chemical species is undergoing oxidation. I hope oxidation meaning is clear to you. Now let us talk about reduction. Alright. So when I say reduction, dear students, any chemical species is undergoing reduction. How will we come to know? Through electronic concept. So as we know, oxidation and reduction are opposite to each other. So similarly, in terms of electronic concept also, they are opposite to each other. If oxidation means loss of electron, definitely opposite to it, reduction will be gain of electron. So when I say any chemical species, if it gains electron, remember, if it gains electron, that means that chemical species is undergoing reduction. A very simple example of this I'll tell you through one example, and I'll take example of, okay fine, I'll take example of Na plus. Alright, so Na plus sodium ion will gain an electron to convert into Na. So here sodium ion is gaining electron, that means undergoing reduction into sodium. Alright. Similarly, if I say Cl, chlorine, Cl2 molecule is there. So dear students, 1 Cl gains 1 electron to convert into Cl minus. So if there are 2 Cl, alright, 2 chlorine atoms, so they will gain 2 electrons to convert into 2 Cl minus. Or in other words, I can say Cl2 molecule, which is made up of 2 Cl, will gain 2 electrons and converts into 2 Cl minus. सो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल इज गेनिंग 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट मीन्स इट इज अंडरगोइंग रिडक्शन. सो आई होप this essence of the electron transfer concept of oxidation reduction is clear to you. Oxidation का माने loss of electron and reduction का माने gain of electron. Any chemical species, चाहे वो ion हो, चाहे वो atom हो, अगर वो electron lose करती है, that means it is undergoing oxidation. और कोई chemical species, चाहे वो ion हो, चाहे वो atom हो, अगर वो electron gain करती है, that means it is undergoing reduction. In my next video, dear students, I will tell you how to write half equations. हाफ इक्वेशंस मतलब जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि रिडक्शन और ऑक्सीडेशन अलग अलग नहीं होते. कोई भी रिएक्शन अकेली ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगी, कोई भी रिएक्शन अकेली रिडक्शन नहीं होगी. एक कंप्लीट केमिकल इक्वेशन रिडॉक्स होती है. कंप्लीट केमिकल रिएक्शन कैसे रिएक्शन होता है? रिडॉक्स. रिडॉक्स मतलब रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन आर गोइंग साइमल्टेनियसली. So in my next video I will teach you how to divide a redox reaction into oxidation and reduction reaction. मतलब एक redox reaction के दो हिस्से, ठीक है, जिसमें से एक हिस्सा ऑक्सीडेशन होगा और दूसरा हिस्सा रिडक्शन होगा. इसको हम हाफ इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. So wait for the next video. In my next video I will be teaching you how to write oxidation and reduction half equations. Till then, keep revising the electronic transfer concept of oxidation and reduction.